In this video, we're looking at a 2014 Toyota Prius, and we have a small problem. License plate light is out on one side, so in today's video, we're going to replace that lamp. Actually, we're going to replace both lamps. In order to do our repair, we'll need at least two items: a 194 lamp and a plastic pry bar, because in order to get to this lamp, we have to go behind the hatchback, and there are two compartment panels, one for each of the license plate lights. And then you're going to get your pry bar, go into the top, and then you're just going to pry that panel loose. And if this is the first time, it may take a little bit of an effort. What you don't want to use is a screwdriver, because if I did this with a screwdriver, we'd be putting a big gouge in the plastic, and we're less likely to damage the plastic by using plastic on it. Once you get underneath the plastic, there are two catches, and you just lift the door out, and you see here there's a tab, and here's a tab. It goes up in here. Then on the bottom, there are two tabs that could drop down, and they slot in there. Now I'm going to get a light so you can see inside. Okay, we've switched the angle here. So down here is the back of the hatch, and here's the cable that goes into the lamp. Now if we grab the lamp and twist counterclockwise, and we pull, there's your bulb. And sometimes they call this a peanut bulb, because it's about the size of a peanut, and it just pulls right out. It's a 194. So we take our new 194 and we just drop it in place, and you see it glows. And now to put it back in, you go into that hole, and then you're going to look for it to catch, and you're going to turn clockwise in order to lock it in place. And once it's in place, it won't pull out. So now we've done that. We take our panel. Again, the pointed tips are going to go down, and then we just snap it into place, and you're done. We do the exact same thing for this panel. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.